Atto 3 has a very aerodynamic shape, and due to that, the wiper blades are tucked deep under the windscreen line over here, which means whenever you lift up the wipers, you are inevitably going to touch the bonnet. So the car comes with a special mode to lift the wipers for any maintenance requirements. I'm going to show you how to put it into that service mode. So to raise the wipers, to clean them, or to do any maintenance on them, you need to go into the car, turn it on, and then go to the settings, tap on that icon, tap on vehicle health, and then go to overhaul. And when you do that, wiper in service position, just toggle that, and you can see wipers have raised themselves to service position. They stay that way until you turn that off. There you go.